This is a quick dip acrylic powder starter kit that I purchased. And what it is, it's a form of acrylic. It's just different from what the traditional acrylic that we're used to. So what you do is you apply these coats in the order that the instructions tell you. And after each coat, you dip it into the powder, which creates the acrylic. In other words, it hardens the powder and creates the acrylic formula that we're used to. Let's go ahead and start. We're gonna go ahead and open up the box. Here's a little tray that it comes with, and what you can do is you can put the powder in here and then you like dip it and take it out. Oops, okay, well that didn't work out well, but there are two types of powder colors. So this with this technique, you don't use any nail polishes. The color is all in the powder. It's interesting how these work, but it's really cool actually to see. And so this one came with a pinkish one, which probably looks like the one here on the box. And then it comes with a neutral one, which is probably just more like clearish, I would say. So mainly what it is, there's 3 steps to it. So here's step 1, and this one is just your nail primer. And then step 2 is the nail base and top coat. This would be the glue. This is what's going to hold the powder together when you dip your finger into the product. And then this is the gel activator. And then lastly, because you know, some of these are like, this is probably like the glue. So it has a brush cleanser. You always want to keep these liquids sitting up. We don't want them to end up getting stuck here to the rim when you close it, and then you can't open it up. So you want to go ahead and just make sure you clean that up, clean your brush. So I pulled out these instructions so you guys can see that you can also add fake nails. You can add the extension, cut them, and shape them. Again, so what I'm going to start off by doing is I'm going to work on this hand because it has the best nails. And I'm going to go ahead and just file them down. I don't want to file them too much. I just want to file them enough to where we are getting rid of all the oils on the nail. For the dipping powder, I'm going to use the Rose Petal Pink dipping powder. So we're going to start with the nail primer. Then apply number 2, the base coat, all over the nail. And then we're going to dip it into the powder and tap off the excess. Interesting. Then it says you can do this same step another time. So I'm just going to go ahead and try it one more time, see how that turns out. Okay, so we're gonna use number 2 again. We're going to apply it all over the nail. And then we're going to go in with number 3, the gel activator, right after. So we're gonna go ahead and just do that on all of the nails. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna buff out the nail to pretty much smooth it out. I'm just gonna go in with my Sally Hansen gel clear top coat, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint over the nails. And then we're gonna go ahead and cure right under the LED light. And here is the finished result, guys.